Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are showing how to check fuse without multimeter. So I have some fuses. This is called glass type fuses. So I have one tester in socket. So now we are checking fuse. So before we are checking light is blown. So now later we are put glass type fuse. Now it is correct, it is blown in tester, so it is good fuses also. So these are glass type fuses. So these also glass type fuses. So here another one glass type fuse in have. So it is good or fault we are checking. Now this is not blown in tester, so it is fault fuse. So how to find out without multimeter in fuse in this video.